Holy Spirit, activate. Why so stingy? We have 2 products. Hi gorgeous, I have here the Feelunique Advent Calendar. This one retails for 136 euros. We have 25 doors and 27 products. So I'm curious to see which door has more products. Door number 1 is looking at me, and this one is the Kingsley Elasticizer. It is a deep conditioning treatment for your hair. It can add elasticity and bounce. This one contains 40 milliliters. It is definitely a mini product, especially for the hair. I don't like mini products. Maybe I can use this 2 times because my hair are super long now. I would prefer if this was a full size. And door number 2, I saw what it was. This one is the Magic Eye Rescue Eye Cream to help brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Oh, I have never tried an eye cream by Charlotte Tilbury. It is super adorable and also a mini. How much do we have? We have 3 milliliters. This one even looks like a sample, not a mini. High-end brands are always very stingy with the products that they give to advent calendars. I'm hoping that I can use it maybe for a week. Maybe not. It's very small. Moving on to day number 3. I didn't look at the drawer. So, oh, it sounds like a lipstick. Wrong. This is the Tanlux Super Glow Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. This one somehow can make your skin darker. I don't typically use these products on me. My skin is super sensitive. We have a mini product again. It contains 10 milliliters. I'm guessing this one is for the face, otherwise it doesn't make sense to have such a small product if it is for your body. I mean, you cannot even use it on your arm. I'm hoping this is the last mini product. Door number 4. Oh, I'm gonna say a toner. Nope. This one is by the brand Sol Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream. And this is a retexturizing body cream. It can nourish your skin and also it can make it smoother and brighter. I cannot find the scent of the product, so let's go for a sniffing test. It reminds me of vanilla. It is something sweet, but I don't know what it is. We have 25 milliliters for a body cream. This is very mini. Yes, you can take it with you if you travel, but it's small. It's very small. Holy Spirit, activate. Door number 5 is next to me. I'm gonna say a face palette. It's not. This one is by the brand First Aid Beauty. It is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It contains 10% AHA and it is safe for sensitive skin. We have 28.3 grams of product, so this is not a full size. It doesn't feel fully packed. Maybe you can use it twice. I'm getting disappointed very quickly with this advent calendar. Door number 6. Oops, I saw what it is. This is the Protect and Prime SPF 30 by the brand Emma Hardy. I have used this one again. I think I got it in another advent calendar. It was also a mini and we have 15 milliliters. You can maybe use it for a week. So this one has a lightweight formula and you can use it as your moisturizer. Moving on to day number 7. I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh, what's that? This is the Universal Emulsion. I'm not sure. It is with the brand Elixir Skin. This one is a day moisturizer, night cream and a serum base in one. We have 30 milliliters. I'm curious to see the consistency. Oh my god, it's so tightly closed. Yeah, I'm curious to see if it is spreadable, because if it is, okay, yes, it's very spreadable. So even if we have 30 milliliters, maybe we can use it for a month. Oh, it has a very strong scent. I don't like that. It is flowery. I don't prefer strong scents for my face. I have never heard of this brand before. And let's go to day number 8 now. Oh, I saw what it was. I think it's a brush. Oh yeah, it is the eyeshadow brush. Let's see the brand. And we also have a case for the brush. Oh, it's a very pretty brush. It says an eyeshadow brush, but it looks like a tapered blending brush. You can also use this for the eyelid. And it's a very well made brush. I like it. It is by the brand Delilah. This is the first full-size product of the advent calendar. At least we have a nice handle and you can actually use it. It's easy to hold. You can see my Real Techniques advent calendar unboxing to see why I'm talking about the handle. Day number 9. I saw what it was. I think it is skincare. This one is by the brand Pry, the Ageless Throat and the Collagen cream. We have 15 milliliters. It is a mini product. I have used this one again. What I don't like is that it is peeling off once you start applying more products on top of it. Also, this one is a very small size. Maybe you can use it for a month. Door number 10. Oh, I saw what it is and I like what I saw. Come here. This is the Nooks multipurpose dry oil for face, body and hair. You can use it for all skin types. We have 30 milliliters. I think this is the full size. I'm not certain, so let me know in the comments. I was actually thinking about getting the Nooks advent calendar. They have a lot of skincare. I just never buy skincare advent calendars because most of the products are for normal skin. Let's see. If you want to see a skincare advent calendar, let me know in the comments. I think this is scentless. It's not very slippery, so I'm very curious to use it, especially on my hair. Up next, door number 11. This one is the Surface Radiance Cleanse by the brand Medic 8. I think we had this brand again in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. You can use it to exfoliate your skin. This one contains 40 milliliters. It is a mini product because I am now on the Cult Beauty website and the full size is 150 milliliters and the price is 20 euros. Let's continue with door number 12. I didn't see. I'm gonna say a toner. Nope. This one is the Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. These shower gels are very expensive. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I have used this one again. It doesn't leave on the skin a very strong scent, and if you have sensitive skin, it doesn't irritate it. We have 100 milliliters for a shower gel. This is not so much product. You can use it maybe 7 to 10 days. Of course, if you're showering once every week. Day number 13, I saw what it was. It is a mini product by Laura Mercier. This is the Silky Cream Lipstick in the shade A La Rose. Let's see the color. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. I love this shade. Maybe I should do a lipstick collection video and categorize the lip shades. It is a little bit pinkier. I don't mind that. You can use it on the center of the lips with a darker lipstick. You can use it by itself. It is scentless. They claim that the overall value of this advent calendar is 439 euros. I don't see that. Too many mini products. Door number 14. Oh, I'm gonna say a lip pencil. This is the Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. For a serum, this one is very small. Even if it is spreadable, we just have 7 milliliters of the product. Why so stingy? This one is vegan and cruelty free. And day number 15 is a bigger one. Oh, it's very heavy. Oh, I saw what it is. Okay, scratch it. This is a Grown Alchemist Enzyme Exfoliant. Let's see the packaging of this one. Ooh, super pretty. It is a very sturdy and luxurious packaging, even though it is so simple. We have 75 milliliters. I just saw online that this is the full size and the price of it is 56 euros. Expensive. This one is the third exfoliating product that we have. Okay, door number 16 is a product by the brand Ahava. It is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. We have 40 milliliters. You can also use this if you have sensitive skin. Let's sniff it. It smells like flowers and it is a little bit overpowering. Here we have day number 17. I think it is skincare. This is the Beauty Flash Balm that can brighten and tighten the skin by the brand Clarins. You know. It doesn't say anything else how you can use the product, what is the scent or for which skin type. It says not for individual sale. Usually we have that on samples. This one contains 15 milliliters. Door number 18. What is this? This is the Intensive Repair Mask. It is for damaged and sensitized hair. My product is scratched here and it is by the brand Lazartic. This is vegan. We have 50 milliliters. Why do we have such a small product for hair? This one is a mask. That means you need to apply a lot of product all over the hair. It is not just the roots with a shampoo. It has a light and fresh scent. I'm curious to use it on my hair, maybe twice. Then number 19, I think it is a mascara. This one is the Aromatherapy Deep Relax. Oh, it's a roll-on. Okay, I'm not gonna use it on me. A lot of times my skin is reacting to this product. I think it contains lavender. It doesn't say the scent on the packaging, which I don't understand. This is for aromatherapy. It is important. We have 10 milliliters. You don't need to use so much product, but I don't think this is a full size. It has the perfect size to have it in your purse. The 20 is lighter. I'm gonna say a lipstick.
No.
Another mini. This is by the brand Catrice. It is a Greek brand and I actually have used a lot of products by this brand. It is the Wild Rose Brightening and First Wrinkles Advanced Repair Sleeping Facial for all skin types. It doesn't feel fully packed. We have 16 milliliters. Let's sniff it. It smells very nice. Let's go to door number 21. This one is heavy. I'm gonna say a toner. We have two products. The first one is the Pink Diamond by the brand Rodial. This is the lifting face mask. You can lift and illuminate your skin. It contains hyaluronic acid and the packaging is very pretty. The next product is the Repair Game Changer Hair Mask by the brand We Are Paradox, and this one contains kelp seaweed for repair and rejuvenation. We have 75 milliliters, so I'm curious to see how it is. Oops, it is creamy. It's not a wax product. It smells very fresh and herbally. I prefer a different packaging for hair mask. It is easier to use it from a tube when you're doing your hair. Okay, so we basically have two masks in this drawer. Let's go to the next one, door number 22. I'm gonna say a mascara. This is by the brand Filorga. It is the Scrub and Detox Intense Purity Foam Exfoliator. We have seen this brand a lot in advent calendars. They never have a full-size product. It is always something very small. It doesn't say if it is for the face, for the body, but we have 15 milliliters. Basically, this one looks like a sample. Door number 23. It's lightweight and noisy. I'm gonna say an eye pencil. We've been bamboozled again and again. This is the Alchemist Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It is anti-aging. I have some products by the brand that work for me, others don't. This one contains 15 milliliters, definitely a mini product. Door 24. Next. This is by Terry Mini To Go Lip Care. I have tried this one again. You can find it a lot in the Look Fantastic and Glossy Box subscription boxes. This one has a glossy finish. It is like a lip balm. It doesn't do much for the lips. Also, it has a stronger scent of roses. This one is a mini. It contains 2.3 grams of product, but you can use it for a couple of months. Let's go to day 25 that I saw what we have. The first product is the Chin Lift Sculpting Sheet Mask by the brand Wishful. And the next product is by Huda Beauty. This is the Nude Rich Eyeshadow Palette. I have never tried this. Wishful is a skincare brand and it is a sister brand with Huda Beauty that they have makeup. I'm very happy for the palette. It is the most exciting product of the advent calendar. I'm expecting something very chocolatey. Ooh, nice. I also like the packaging a lot. I like the formula of the Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I think the color story is very pretty. I'm not so sure that it's gonna look nice with the lipstick that we got. Maybe if you use this pink eyeshadow, I would prefer a different shade for the lipstick so I could use them together. We have only 5 full-size products and 2 of them are sheet masks that you're gonna use just once. Also, the box is falling apart, so So I'm gonna give this advent calendar 1 star. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can watch next the Yes Style advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!